Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today, I'm just going to be showing you guys some of my paintings that I made. I got like some little canvases. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have like 8 canvases here that I have. And well, as you can see, I mean, I just got some paint and I painted some abstract paintings. How did I start? What kind of paint did I use? I actually used some like latex. I think it's latex based paint. It's the paint I got it from Lowe's. I went to I call it the reject section. Instead of paying like the $50-$100 for like a gallon of paint, let's say they make a mistake or someone returns the paint or something like that, then they still have to sell it. So like a gallon of a good brand gallon of paint may or may not be a full gallon. Could be anywhere from like $10 to $20. So this is good quality paint. It's not like watercolors or anything like that. So yeah, this is what I made. I painted this like a few days ago, and then I left it outside to dry. And when I was pouring the paint and like putting the paint on here and painting, as you can see, I had like the excess runoff and everything, and some of it was even dripping on the floor. And I noticed that, and I went ahead and got more canvases, and just let it I just let it pour on top of the canvas overnight, and this was the result, the final result. This is one of them. If you look closely at it, you can kind of see the ripples in it. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but there's definitely ripples. If you've ever seen lava, like lava flowing or lava drying, I mean, it kind of looks like that. So, I mean, I want to call this like lava or something. So, I think it looks really cool. I'm not done with it, of course, but I mean, this is one of them. This way, it kind of looks like a belt, maybe even like a flying ghost or something, like in a robe. It looks kind of cool. But that's one of them. This is the excess paint. I mean, I can frame this, or there's a whole bunch of different things I can do with it. I definitely want to clean it because it does have like some branches and some dirt and like some like dead grass and stuff that just from the wind, I mean, it just gets picked up. But otherwise, I mean, clean this up and having it in a frame. I got some dirt in the back too on it. Again, I definitely clean it up, but if I put this inside a frame, I think it looks really cool. Just looking at it from right here, I mean, my opinion, it kind of looks like the United States, like in a abstract kind of way, abstract kind of demorphed way. So you got Florida like right here. This is definitely like part of California, and I know Hawaii's really far from California. It's like a 5-hour plane ride, but I mean, any map that you were to look at the United States, for the most part, it does show like Hawaii, like kind of just like right here, even when in reality it isn't. But you can kind of call that like Hawaii. Got like Washington up here. You got Oregon. Like right here, you got like Kansas. You even got like the Great Lakes, like up here. You got like Maine. You got like New York. You got, well, you know, the whole East Coast. And then of course like Texas is like right here, and you got like some Louisiana. So I think it looks really cool. I mean, if you have like an imagination, you can kind of see like what it looks like. You can definitely call this like the United States, like a morphed out United States, and totally coincidence. And I mean, there was another chunk like right here, and I mean, call it Alaska, you know. And just the way I placed it, I didn't place it like this on purpose. I mean, um, I was just picking up the paint and plopping it down here, and you know, I mean, I looked at it, I thought it looked really cool, and I looked closer at it, and well, I mean, I thought it looked like the United States, so it looked really cool. You got, of course, all the states, Hawaii, right, and then you got Alaska up here, and I'm sure you can get like Canada or something, but I mean, yeah, but point is the states, right? So it looks cool. This one over here, I got like some more runoff here. Again, I don't know how well the camera picks this up. It is kind of on the darker end. If anyone that's watching this video like bowls or has bowled, there was a bowling ball that Brunswick made called the Total Inferno. I had that ball personally, but it looks like those colors. I thought it was really cool that it looked like that, and as soon as I saw it, that's what it reminded me of. And yeah, I mean, you got just some more spots, and you got the runoff paint again. You got some more right here. It has like a little tail. What kind of texture is it? I mean, it is like latex-based paint, so it does have like that rubbery feel to it. And for anyone who's actually used this type of paint and seen how it dries and stuff, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, this stuff's waterproof. It can even have like a gloss to it. I mean, it has a lot of good stuff. I mean, it's a good brand of paint, and it was, I mean, I got it for a discount, right? Because someone didn't want it, so it works for me. I'm happy. Got like $60 paint for 10-20 bucks. And again, I got some more runoff over here. I can make a whole bunch of different stuff with it. As of right now, I mean, I was letting it dry, and I'm out here now, like just looking at and see what how everything has dried. Right over here, I got some more of that paint runoff and stuff. Ow, you can call them like paint skins. Oh, I got some thorns in there. I have a cactus nearby, and like some rose bushes too, so I didn't realize there were some thorns in that. I have to take it out. What else? You got just paint, you got it. It's floppy. I don't know, what do you guys see in that? Do you see anything in this? You can see the ripples if you look really close. It kind of looks like an ear. If you look close at, like right here, look, check it right here. If you look at this, like right here, it kind of looks like an ear. It looks like an ear, and you can see like the inner part of the ear. This is like the hole for the ear, like if you put a Q-tip in your ear. But yeah, it looks kind of cool. You got this right here. This one kind of looks like a wizard or something, or some type of, I don't know. You got like the whole body right here, and you have like the staff. Maybe the staff is like on fire or something, or it's just like really bright. For anyone that's into like, I don't know, Renaissance type stuff, or any like World of Warcraft, or I don't know, even RuneScape. I mean, kind of look at that. It looks kind of cool. More over here, just a lot of leaves, it's like pink, purple, a little bit of orange, but I mean, I'll leave that. There's not that much on that one. But again, looking at the paintings, I have to get these off. They're stuck on there. I have a blade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like slice it like down here this way, and yeah, I mean, take these things off, get them inside, and frame them, and see what I can do with them. Sell them or hang them up around the house, but most likely sell them. I have a whole bunch of these. This isn't the first time I've made these, so I have a whole bunch I need to sell and want to sell. Some of them I give away as gifts, like Christmas and stuff, like right around the corner. If you're in my, if you're going to receive a gift from me, most likely you're going to get a painting. So if any of you guys are watching this that knows me personally, well, this might be one of your gifts. So here it is. Yay. Anyways, yeah, but what's really cool is you have all this excess paint like right here, and some of it like layered up, and you can peel it. So like this one right here, I can definitely peel it. But first things first, I have to get this stuff off. If not, it's not going to go anywhere. It's stuck to the table. It's waterproof, so even if it were to rain, I mean, nothing's going to happen to it. It's waterproof, so it's all good. Yeah, I mean, a whole bunch of paint. Got a bunch of layers right here. As you can see, like right here, this is where it was dripping off, and you can still see a little bit of the remnants of the paint when it was falling, but you can definitely see like where it dripped off. If you look closely, like right here, kind of like, the way I want to view it is like kind of like icicles. You guys know what icicles are? Assuming English is your first language. I mean, the things that hang off, the runoff of the water when it's like really cold and it freezes. Those are icicles. So it kind of looks like that. Yeah, I mean, got all this here, and that's all I really got for right now, guys. I mean, I can do a quick pan shot, like right over all this, and you guys can just like check it out. If you guys happen to see any designs or anything cool, just tell me the timestamp at which you saw it at, and let me know what it is, and leave a comment, and that's leaving a comment in the video, and definitely subscribe. But we can just look around and see what kind of weird things we can find in here. That's what I always like about these. It's a lot of weird stuff, and you never know what you might find in here. anyways, so let's get to it. And I personally don't really see anything yet. I kind of see like a jellyfish, to be honest, like right here. This part of the paint though isn't on the canvas, but this can be like the base or the head of the jellyfish, and these are all the tentacles and stuff. That looks really cool. What else? This can kind of be like, to be honest, kind of looks like lava coming out of like a volcano, like right here, and it's just like shooting all up and all over the place. But yeah, there's a lot of, it just looks cool. I mean, even if you don't find any like pictures or images in the painting, I mean, if you were to have this, I mean, just look at it. I mean, it looks cool. You have all the swirls, you got all the colors mixing and looking at one another. It's definitely like an eye catcher, and conversation starter is like, hey, like, what is that thing? You know, oh, it's a painting. You know, it looks cool. It's like melted paint, or just melting. Kind of looks like melting. You can kind of see like maybe some mountain ranges, or if you're into like weather and stuff. I mean, you got like the kind of looks like the weather patterns when they're showing it like on the radar or whatever that thing's called. But over here, more mountains, more swirls. This definitely looks like a volcano, like right here. You can kind of see like the base of the the volcano itself, and like all the lava and everything like shooting out. I mean, that I see right there. I think that's really cool. It kind of looks like a road, like right here. It's like a road, and it kind of leads into everything else. When I was painting these, I had them all together, so if there is any like fluid motion or anything like that, is definitely there. There's some parts, I mean, you can kind of see, I mean, obviously it continues right here, but there was no canvas here. If I were to move this, like say over here, you can kind of see like where the paint would stop, right? See how it just stops? But since all this stuff was connected, like over here, you can see like the fluid and the flow, like right here. Kind of breaks a bit, but I was throwing some paint onto here, and it kind of stops the flow of motion. But if you look really close, I mean, you can tell it was all within the same like motion, right, of when I was painting, and that's what you got like right there. But yeah, you got a whole lot of different things. But I'm going to leave you guys with that. Again, if you like the video, leave a comment, leave a like. If you hated the video, dislike the video too. I mean, I don't really care. If you like it, dislike it, leave a comment. If it's a good comment, bad comment. Any interaction with the video does help out my video. So even for the people that don't like my stuff, well, you're still helping me out too. But definitely do any of the above, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.